Assalamu alaikum to all the students. Welcome to you all in our English language class. And I'm your English teacher Sidra. Today we are having lecture number 30, which is about homophones. You might have already done this topic, homophones, and it will be in advanced level now, which we are having in this class. First of all, I want you all to have your copies, your stationery and your books with you. Okay, before starting telling you about the homophones, I want you all should have your bags, or if you are not having the complete bag, your English language copy, your English language book and your stationery must be with you all, so that after the lecture or just after the lecture, when we will be going to start our written work, no haphazard condition will be created. Okay, so you should all have your books and copies with yourself, your stationery box with yourself, so that we can easily start written work as soon as we completed this lecture. Now, first of all, what are homophones? A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meanings. Means when we pronounce, when we call, when we say any word, two, three words are pronounced in similar way, but they have different meanings. Might be they have different spellings also. But if sometimes the spellings are very much similar, but their meanings should be different, so these words are called homophones. Those words which called or pronounced in a similar way, it's called homophones. Okay, a homophone may also differ in spellings, as I told you that their spellings will be or might be different. Okay, the two words may be spelled the same as in, for example, rose, R-O-S-E, rose is called flower. Okay, it's a flower name. And R-O-S-E, rose, this is the past tense of rise. Okay, the past participle or past form of rise is rose. Their spellings are same, but when we use them in the sentence, then we get the actual meaning of that. Their meanings are different. One is flower and the second one is the second form of past form of rice. So their spellings are same, their pronunciation are same, but their meanings are totally different. Or differently, when their spellings are different, so their meanings are already different. Okay, or differently as a rain or rain, they both having the spellings are different and the meanings are also different. Sometimes we have some homophones, their spellings are different plus their meanings are also different. But sometimes we have some homophones, their spellings are same but their meanings are different. They pronounced in the same way, that's why they called homophones. So there is nothing more about this homophone. Okay, these are only the words which have similar pronunciation, sometimes similar meanings, sometimes similar spellings also, but the meanings are totally different. Homophones that are spelled the same are also both homographs and homonyms. Okay, when we have some homophones, all those words which have different meanings but their spellings are same and their pronunciation are same, so we call them homographs and homonyms. Homophones that are spelled differently are also called heterographs. Okay, all those words, all those homophones which have similar spellings, these are called homographs or homonyms, but all those homophones which have different spellings, they are called heterographs. Okay, just you have to remember that homophones are the words which are having similar pronunciations, but their meanings and spellings are different. Sometimes when two homophones are spelled in the same way, they are called homographs or homonyms, but even their spellings, their meanings are different, and all those words which are spelled differently, they mean differently, they are called heterographs. Now I want you all to take out your language copies and listen to me very carefully before starting the work. Just open your copies. Yesterday we had a lecture of antonyms. Okay, I made you write list of antonyms plus 2 exercises I have made you write yesterday during the lecture. Okay, we have already done 2 exercises during the lecture, but I told you that today I will upload a homework about antonyms in which you will be having 2 more exercises. Total we have 4 exercises from the book. 2 we have already done yesterday. Okay, and today the homework will be uploaded just after the class, so you will be having more 2 exercises which are totally different from the previous one, so you have to complete this also. So before starting new topic of homophones, before making its title page, you have to leave 2 pages. Okay, 2 pages you have to leave for the homework of antonym. I want you all to listen to me very carefully. Okay, I will upload today the homework which consists of 2 exercises of antonyms and another homework will be combined over there. So before starting this new topic of homophones, you have to leave 2 pages for completing the antonyms 2 more exercise. ठीक है, जो हमारी left over जो हमारी exercises हैं, they will be done in these 2 same pages which you are leaving. Yes, Fatma Nadeem, you have to copy down. Bilkul. Ramiz Yasin, you are absolutely right that in index also you have to leave 1 line for making the homework. I was coming at that point. Okay. Now you understood how you have to start the work. Now come to the index page. Before making homophones index, again you have to make the index of antonyms homework. Okay. Antonyms ke homework ke liye you will leave 1 line and then you will make index of homophones. Okay, Vanya. Okay. Write down the index of homophones by leaving 1 line so that you can make index of antonyms homework. Okay. Make index of homophones. Give heading of homophones with today's date. Okay. Today is 13th January 2021. In the topic column, you will write homophones, and just after that, you have to write list of homophones first. Okay, we have list of homophones, then we have exercise of homophones also from your book. Okay, but first you have to write this list of homophones in your copies. Yes, Vanya, of course, if you have completed the homework first, then you don't need to leave the pages. Just start writing homophones, make its title page. Now make the title page of homophones. Okay, after the antonyms. At the next page, you will write heading list of homophones at the red border. Okay, at the red border, you have to give the heading of list of homophones. Note down the date over there, then give heading list of homophones at the red border. Make 2 columns over there so that you may write homophones in front of each other, but you don't have to give any heading in the columns. Okay, yes, Sanya, you are asking something. Obviously you have to make the title page first, then at the second page you have to give heading at the red border list of homophones. Okay, then with the very next line you have to make 2 columns and start writing homophones. No need to give any heading in the columns. Columns में आप कोई headings नहीं देंगे. Just we did yesterday words और antonyms में हमने heading दी थी in the columns. No need to give any heading in the columns. Ananta, you should buy new copy. Okay, if your language copy is over, it's ended up, so you have to purchase a new copy because we have already so many things in this final term. Arham, you have to leave 2 pages because we have 2 exercises left of antonym. ठीक है, antonyms की 2 exercises I will give you for homework, so you have to leave 2 pages. Now come to the list of homophones. Everybody please be with me so that we can complete it. You may also ask these types of questions at the end. Okay, before 2-3 minutes you may ask the questions. Okay, now start the work. Number 1 is acyl. Okay, Hania. Okay, fine. If you have already done those exercise of antonyms, then no need to leave the pages. Now come to the today's work. Make 2 columns and write serial numbers. Then start writing. Acyl, AISLE, and acyl, ISLE, both have different meanings. Okay, if I give you the meaning of these 2 words, their pronunciation are same, but their spellings are totally different. Okay, and their meanings are totally different. Clear? Yes. Yes, number 2 is stare, S-T-A-R-E, stare, and the second one, the homophone of that same pronunciated word is stare, S-T-A-I-R. Okay. Number 3, veil, V-E-I-L, and the second one is veil, V-A-L-E, veil. Number 4, pause, P-A-U-S-E, and the homophone is pause, P-A-W-S. Number 5, letter, L-A-T-E-R, letter, or L-A-T-T-E-R, letter. Number 6, rein, R-E-I-N, rein, which means lagam, okay? And the rein, Dorane Hukumat, R-E-I-G-N, the duration of, you may call it a period, okay? Number 7, fair, F-A-I-R, fair, and the homophone is F-A-R-E, fair. F-A-I-R, fair means acha, normal, okay? This is not fair, munasib. And F-A-R-E, fare means kiraya, which we call also rent, you may say, okay, bus fare or train fare. Okay. Number 8 is air, A-I-R, air. You all know the meaning of air, and ear, E-A-R, ear. Both are having the same pronunciation to call these words, but their meanings are totally different. Yes, number 9, heard, H-E-A-R-D, heard, which means to listen, sunna, and herd, H-E-R-D, herd, which we call a group of animals, okay? The group of animals is called herd, H-E-R-D, herd. The number 10 is waste, W-A-I-S-T, waste. And the second one is waste, W-A-S-T-E, waste. W-A-S-T-E, waste means zaya karna, to waste something, and W-A-I-S-T, waste, which we measure for having any पेंड और इट्स कॉल्ड मेजरमेंट. कमर को जो हम वेस्ट, इट्स कॉल्ड कमर इन उर्दू. ओके. नंबर 11 वेरी. Homophone is V-A-R-Y very and V-E-R-Y very. Number 12 idle, I-D-L-E and I-D-O-L idle. Number 13 break, B-R-E-A-K break and the homophone is break, B-R-A-K-E break. Both spellings are different but pronunciations are same and the meaning is also different. 14 is one, the O-N-E one and W-O-N one. 15 lack, L-A-C-K lack और L-A-K-E lack. Okay. Number 16 tire, T-I-R-E tire and T-Y-R-E tire. 17 way, W-A-Y way जिसे हम रास्ता भी कहते हैं. Okay, which way I have to go. ठीक, way and way, W-E-I-G-H weight, वजन करना. ठीक है, it's verb, it's not weight. ये वजन को शो नहीं कर रहा, वजन करने को शो कर रहा है. It's called verb. Okay, it is a verb. और अगर हम be attach कर देंगे तो it will become noun. Number 18 is in profit. Number 18 is profit, P-R-O-P-H-E-T profit and P-R-O-F-I-T profit. One is gain, मुनाफा जिसको हम कहते हैं, and profit, पैगंबर, but their pronunciations are same. Number 19 due, D-U-E due and D-E-W due. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? Give me reply in the chat box. Okay, good Aisha, very good. Number 20 birth, B-I-R-T-H birth and B-E-R-T-H birth. Good, very good. Now come to the second page also. We have some more. Okay, continue from the same. Since, S-I-N-C-E since and S-I-N-S since. Okay Ramla, good. Number 22 gate, G-A-T-E gate and G-A-I-T gate. G-A-T-E gate means darwaza and G-A-I-T gate means the walking style जिनमें से चलने का style जिसको हम चलने का अंदाज, चाल जिसको हम कहते हैं. Okay. Good Zohair, very nice, very good, shabash. 23 sore, S-O-R-E sore and S-O-U-R sore. S-O-R-E sore सूजा हुआ, which hurts, जो तकलीफ देता है, and S-O-U-R sore खट्टा. ठीक है. Number 24 peel, P-E-E-L peel and the homophone is P-E-A-L peel. Humam, what should I show again? क्या show करना है मुझे? 25 weight, W-A-I-T weight and W-E-I-G-H-T weight. Okay, their spellings are different, their meanings are different, but their pronunciation is same. 26 praise, P-R-A-I-S-E. Okay Humam, just wait. You should start writing these from 21. Okay, I'll show you it again. After completing these 35, मैं दोबारा show कर दूँगी पिछली वाली list. Just complete this first. Yes, 26 praise, P-R-A-Y-S praise, इबादत करना and P-R-A-I-S-E praise, तारीफ करना. 27 wine, W-I-N-E wine and V-I-N-E wine. Number 28 besides, and beside. Both spellings are totally same, just S and without S they are having some different meanings. Besides means साथ या पास. Okay, and beside means further, इसके अलावा. beside that, and besides sit beside me. Okay. 29 vain, VAIN and VEIN, vain. Then 30 is straight, STRAIGHT, street, straight. And STRAIT, straight. Then we have formally. Okay, Jay Kumar, very good. Nusaiba, everybody is doing by writing. Why the screen is not shown to you? Everybody is giving me the reply that they have done. There must be some problem from your side. Very good, Samaya, very nice. Good, Iman. Okay, then 32 farmer and farmer, 33 sweet and sweet, 34 site and SIGHT, site, 35 is cell and SELL, cell. Okay, very good. Acha, for Humam I am showing this screen. Okay, till then everybody open your books, page number 78. Everybody open your book, page number 78. Achha, in the first one, the first homophone is asal and asal. Okay, number one, asal, AISLE. Asal means chalne wala rasta. Okay, the way where you walk. And ISLE, asal means the bird house, you may say it. Okay. Second one is Chota Jazeera. Okay, ISLE means Chota sa Jazeera, where birds, flocks lies. Okay, Humam. Okay. Now come to page number 78 of the book. Question number 9. Page number 78, question number 9. Complete the following sentences by using the correct word from those in the bracket. Okay, you have to write the whole sentence. Complete sentence with bracket words. Okay, both bracket words you have to write. As I have written here on the screen, you can see the
Miss, your voice is not coming, and screen also.
Miss, your voice is not coming.
Okay, now is it okay? Is it okay now? Can you all hear me? Yes. Can you all see the screen? The screen is also clear for you? Okay, okay, fine. Okay. Now, I will unmute the people, some of you, okay, and then you will give me the reply of number one. I asked to Zuhaib. Zuhaib, can you please reply me for number one answer? Which ASL will be the right answer? Zuhaib, are you there? Yes, Zuhaib.
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
The bird walked down to the
The bride walked down the. Yes, I gave you.
Miss ISLE wala.
Which one? See the screen and which ones? First one or second one?
Miss second one.
Second one from the exercise. AISLE, ASL. Very good. Very good. Shabash. Yes. Second one, Sania. You reply me for the second one.
Assalamu alaikum, Miss.
Walaikum assalam, Sania. Yes. What is the answer?
Miss, it is bad manners to miss second stare.
Stare. And what
STARE
does it
stare.
mean? And what does it mean?
मिस स्टेयर का मतलब देखना, लोगों को देखना, घूरना घूरना
Purna.
घूरना.
Okay. Yes. Very good. Very nice.
मिस ये कौन को
G, you have to write in your copy also. Okay, you have to write same work in the same manner in your copies. Yes, Ahmed Hassan. Number 3. C. The country has many hills and vales. Which vales will be used here? Ahmed Hassan.
In Wales, Miss second wala Wales है.
Second vales. And what does it mean? VALES vales? Yes. Can you give me the meanings of vales? It's called wadi. ठीक है? खूबसूरत वादियाँ, which we can say. The country has many hills and vales. Okay? अच्छा. And who will reply me for D? Before he gave the answer, he paused for a while. Alish Barizwan, you will give me the reply of D. Which pause we will use over here?
Miss first one PAUSED.
Very nice. And what does it mean?
Miss मतलब stop हो जाना, रुक जाना.
Stop होना, रुकना, अटकना. Okay, very good. Shabash. And last one, a horse is guided by the movements of the reins. I gave you in the list this word and also gave you the meaning. Yes, Shehroz, you will reply me for the last one. E.
Miss reins.
Reins, which one? First
First one.
First one.
Miss first one. Miss lagam.
Lagam, the straps which are used for stopping or giving the signal to the horse. Okay, very good.
Yes, miss.
Acha, now everybody, the topic is completed over here. Okay. Now, these are some presentation questions which I will ask. Yes, can you all see the screen now? Yes, Sanya, you have to do this work during the class. That's why I'm giving you this work, written work on the screen, and you have to complete it during this period because you are having continuously classes. You are having since 8:30. Okay, today on daily basis you will be having from starting from 8:30 till 1:20. Okay, आपकी continuously classes हुआ करेंगे. So you will be you are supposed to write these written work during the lecture. इसी लेक्चर में आपने ये काम करना है. That's why I'm explaining you and giving you the time, dictating you. I'm dictating you also. Okay. Everybody has to complete this work on time. Okay, Hania. Okay. This was the last page, Hania. Okay. Acha. Now give me the reply of these questions. Okay. Presentation questions. Yes. Question number 1. Alishba Sarfraz, you will give me the answer of question number 1. What are homophones? Yes, Alishba Sarfraz, are you there? I think she is not there. Okay. Um, Fatma Nadeem, you will reply me for question number 1. What are homophones? Fatma Nadeem, are you there? Yes, Fatma? Yes, Fatma. Fatma, unmute your mic, then reply me. Acha, okay, you will giving me reply in chat box. Okay, ठीक है, same pronunciation. Yes, the same pronounced words are called homophones. Very good. But have different meanings. Very good. Shabash. ठीक है. अच्छा, number 2, how many types of homophones we have? Anam Zafar, will you reply me for this? Anam Zafar, question number 2, how many types of homophones we have? Yes, Anam? Just a minute, Jeros. Just a second. Let me ask with different students so that everybody can participate. Okay. Yes, Miss, 5 types. How many types we have? 5 types. Can you please name them, Anam? Can you please give me the 5 names of homophones? Yes. Anam, why don't you mute your mic and then give me the reply? Anam, unmute your mic and then give me the reply. How many types of homophones? 5. Can you please give me the name of 5 homophones? 5 types of homophones? We have only 2 types of homophones, okay. One is which have different spellings and different meanings, and the second one is we have all those homophones which have same spelling but different meanings. Meanings are always different, okay. Homophones ke meanings are always different. One type is which is having similar spelling, and the second one is which have different spellings, okay. Acha. Okay, Anam, 2 types we have. Okay, now, Shahroz, you will reply me for question number 3. What are homographs or homonyms? What are these? Just a second. I ask you to unmute, okay? Then you will reply me. Yes. Yes, Shahroz. What are these?
These homographs and homonyms are those homophones whose spells same.
Which have same spellings.
Yes, miss.
Okay, the 2 words
And as for the
spell the
heterograph,
same as, okay. This is the
and as
answer.
for the heterographs, this.
Yes. When the spellings are same, they are called homographs and homonyms. Very good, shabash. Now, Ramiz, will you reply me for the last question?
Excuse me, miss.
See?
Miss, what was the last homophone?
Sorry?
Miss, what was the last homophone in the
What was
list?
the last homophone? Here?
Yes,
In
miss.
the example?
No, miss, in the list.
In the list. Okay, this one. Cell, cell. CELL
Okay, thank you,
and
miss.
SELL. Okay?
Okay, thank you, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Now, Ramiz will reply me for the last question. Yes, Ramiz, just a second. I unmute you. Yes. Yes, Ramiz. Can you please give me the reply? What are heterographs? Ramiz, can you reply me for that? What are heterographs? Ramiz is not here. Okay, Rida Rahim, can you reply me? Can you give me the answer of question number 4? Number 4. Oh, the numbering are totally different. This is 3 and this is 4. Okay. Yes, Rida Rahim, can you give me the reply?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. What are heterographs?
Miss, heterographs are
Yes.
Miss, heterographs are those words which have spelled same.
No. Which have different spellings. Homographs are those
Oh,
words.
Miss.
Yes. Repeat your answer.
Oh, Miss, they have different spelling and
Different spellings
yes.
and different meanings. Very good, Shabash. Now remember this thing because it will come in your quiz and dictation maybe. Okay, you will have to give the answers of these typical questions. You have to remember this. Okay. Now the time is over. Okay, we will inshallah meet tomorrow with the new topic. Okay, everyone. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow with the new topic. Everybody, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.